What up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Alejandro Romo and I am a real estate agent here in the beautiful state of California. Today we're going to be going over a common misconception in the home buying process, and that is the 20% down payment myth. Let's get right into it. Many home buyers believe that a 20% down payment is an absolute requirement to purchase a home. But let me tell you, that's just not the case. But first, let's take a trip down memory lane and see where this 20% down payment myth came from. Back in the 20th century, during the Great Depression, obtaining a mortgage was pretty difficult and pretty risky. Banks used to demand a substantial down payment, typically about 20%, but that was just to protect the bank's interest in case the borrowers defaulted. This requirement persisted for several decades, and the 20% down payment myth became deeply ingrained in the public's perception of the home buying process. However, in 1956, the real estate industry began to change with the introduction of the first government-backed home loan known as the FHA loan. The Federal Housing Administration, a division of the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development, they created this program to make home ownership more accessible to the average American. The FHA loan offered lenders insurance on mortgages with low down payments, reducing the risk for banks and making home ownership more affordable for buyers. This marked the beginning of a significant shift away from the notion that a 20% down payment was the only way to buy a home. Now, let's fast forward to today. There's a wide range of loan options, making home ownership more accessible than ever before. Now, let's take a look at some of these options. Number 1, FHA loans. The Federal Housing Administration offers loans with as little as 3.5% down payment. These loans are perfect for first-time home buyers or those with a less than perfect credit score. Number 2, VA loans. For our brave veterans and active duty military personnel, VA loans offer a fantastic benefit, including no down payment requirement, lower interest rates, and no PMI. Number 3, USDA loans. If you're looking to buy a home in a rural or suburban area, the U.S. Department of Agriculture offers loans with zero down payment and competitive interest rates. Number 4, conventional loans. Even conventional loans, which are not insured by the government, have options with as low as 3% down payment. These loans can be ideal for buyers with good credit and stable income. As you can see, there are plenty of alternatives to the traditional 20% down payment. Each of these options has its unique benefits, and it is crucial that you understand which one of these home loan programs works best with your financial situation. So why is this essential? By exploring these different loan choices, you may find an opportunity to get into your dream home sooner than you thought possible. With a lower down payment, you can start building equity and invest in your future without having to wait for years to save the hefty 20% down. It's important to remember, with a lower down payment, you're going to have a higher monthly mortgage payment. You should also be mindful of the requirements and restrictions that come with each one of these home loan options. To make an informed decision, I encourage you to reach out to a knowledgeable mortgage lender who can guide you through the loan process and help you find the best option tailored to your needs. If you do happen to need one, I have plenty of lenders that I work with, and we can match you up with the right one that works for you. Before we wrap it up, remember that home ownership is a significant milestone, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to buying a home. If you would take anything from this video, take these 3 keys. Remember, when it comes to buying a home, you need to understand your financial situation, look at all your home loan options available, and ultimately, you have to make a choice that makes sense and aligns with all your goals. That's it. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any other questions or need assistance with anything, please drop a comment below. Here is my phone number to contact me directly. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, peace. Happy house hunting.